Hi guys! Welcome to English Online with me, Sahar Mattar. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about family members. So we're going to start with the basics. Okay, the first member is mom or mother. Mom, mother. And then we have dad or father. Dad, father. Okay, after mom and dad or mother and father, we have grandmother, grandfather, grandma, grandpa. Grandmother and grandfather are your grandparents. Then we have great-grandmother and great-grandfather. Great-grandmother, great-grandfather. Okay, let's say them again. Mom, dad. Mother, father. Grandma, grandpa. Grandmother, grandfather. Great-grandma, great-grandpa. Great-grandmother, great-grandfather. Mother and father are your parents. Parents. Grandmother, grandfather are your grandparents. Grandparents. Great-grandmother, great-grandfather are your great-grandparents. Okay, so this is part 1 of family. Thank you!